What if I told you you are solving reasoning question the wrong way? Think about it. Direction sense and sitting arrangement are two of the most time consuming topic in TCS and QT placement exams. But what if you could crack them in a second? Sound crazy, right? Well, in this video, I am going to reveal game-changing trick that will completely transform the way you approach this question. By the end of the video, you won't just solve them, you will outsmart the toughest reasoning puzzle like a pro. So, are you ready to unlock the secret of fast accurate reasoning? Let's begin. So, it's our first question. What is written here? One morning, Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. That means सुबह एक दिन या एक सुबह विदय उदय एंड विशाल वर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर और उन लोगों का एक एक दूसरे की तरफ फेस है. लेट्स से ये उदय है एंड ये विशाल है. दे आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. And from the question we can get to know it's the means सुबह की बात हो रही है. So if सुबह की बात हो रही है, आगे क्या है? if विशाल शेडो वॉज एग्जैक्टली लेफ्ट टू द उदय. अगर विशाल की शेडो एग्जैक्टली लेफ्ट बने उदय के, तो विशाल किधर खड़ा रहेगा तब उसकी शेडो लेफ्ट बनेगी उदय के. इफ विशाल इज स्टैंडिंग हियर एंड उदय इज हियर, so we know that sun rises from here. So Vishal's shadow will be here into the left of the Uday. It's correct? Yes. So in which direction Uday is facing? Which direction is this? Absolutely north. So our answer will be the north direction. Now we will come to the next question, which is y is in the east of x, which is in the north of z. If P is in the south of z, then in which direction of x is P? Don't panic. What is written here? Y is in the east of x. Y ईस्ट में है x के. मीन्स अगर y ईस्ट में है तो x यहाँ होगा. ओके. विच इज इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ z. और वही x नॉर्थ साइड है z के. मतलब x नॉर्थ साइड है z के. मीन्स z यहाँ होगा. इफ p इज इन द साउथ ऑफ z. अब साउथ कहाँ है? नीचे. तो p अगर साउथ में है z के, देन विच डायरेक्शन ऑफ y इज p? y किस डायरेक्शन में है p के? तो विच इज इट दिस डायरेक्शन? साउथ वेस्ट. इज देयर साउथ वेस्ट प्रेजेंट? नहीं है. दैट मीन्स none of this will be the right answer. So here none of this will be the right answer. Let's see the next third question. What is asking here? If southeast become north, southeast become north, northeast become west, northeast becomes west, and so on. That means if north is here, west is here, then northwest will become south and southwest will become east. What will west become? तो west क्या बनेगा? We know that here in the between of west and north it is northwest. In the between of south and west it is southwest. In the between of south and east what will be the it? Southeast direction. So west क्या बना? Southeast. The correct answer will be southeast. Our fourth question is a man walks 5 kilometers towards south, then turn to the right. Okay, let's solve it directly. It's not like that tough. A man walk 5 kilometers towards south. Where is south? Here. So if the man is here, he is walking 5 kilometers towards south. And then turn right. You know, if I am walking into the south, so where will be the my right? Into this direction. So he turns right and walk for 3 kilometer, because after walking 3 kilometer he again turn. Okay, he turns to left. If I am walking into this direction, what will be the my left? Absolutely downside. So he turn left and walk for 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer. In which direction he is from the starting place? Starting place से अब वो किस डायरेक्शन में पहुंच गया है? Which is this direction? Southwest. Our answer will be southwest. So these are the most important questions and tricks. I hope you got it understand very easily. कोई भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के पहले एक डायग्राम बनाओ, उसमें ऑटो डायरेक्शन बनाओ, क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग उस डायग्राम में अपने हिसाब से चीजें फिट करते जाओ एंड यू विल गेट द राइट आंसर वेरी क्विकली एंड वेरी इजीली. So this is all about direction, and now we will solve sitting arrangement questions. So now start sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement topic is all about finding first the type of sitting, second the left and right. Why I am telling this? Let's get understand. First, we have to understand what will be the type of sitting. Whether it is the linear sitting arrangement. Linear sitting arrangement will be like that. If the person are sitting in a row, line or on the bench. If it is the circular sitting arrangement, in the circular sitting arrangement further it will be where you are facing into the side or outside of the table. Into the polygon arrangement, here the square triangular arrangement will become. So for that you have to understand first the type of the sitting arrangement. Then once you get to know the type, then you have to mark fixed position. Here I am giving the example like that. A is at the end. If the question is telling that A is at the end, so mark A at the end, so that you can get that A at the fixed position. So you have to place others. Use left and right smartly, because left and right makes you confuse a lot. That's why you have to clear up the left and right. If the clockwise direction, if in the circular table it is the clockwise, then right is the next and left is the previous. If it's the anti-clockwise direction, then the left is next and right is previous. You will not understand by just reading this or listening this. Once we are solving the question, then you will get to know more about it. So stay till the end to understand this and make yourself able to solve this question just in seconds. Fourth approach is draw a rough sketch. Don't solve in mind. Use a simple diagram to place people step by step. This will help you to reduce complexity of sitting. And last is fill the gaps. This is the approach. We can see here I have also some short tricks. For the linear sitting arrangement, facing north, if in the linear sitting arrangement person is facing north, then left is left and right is right, because we are also facing north while doing questions. So our left will be the left and right will be the right. If the question is asking that peoples are facing south, then our left become right and right become left. For the circular sitting arrangement, facing center means left is anti-clockwise and right is clockwise. If facing outside, then left is clockwise and right is anti-clockwise. थर्ड ट्रिक इज क्विक एलिमिनेशन. अगर कोई पोजीशन ए फिक्स आ रही है फिफ्थ पे और ऑप्शन में फिफ्थ पे 3 ऑप्शन में वो नहीं है, तो चौथा ऑप्शन एब्सोल्युटली राइट ही होगा. तो क्विक एलिमिनेशन ऑफ ऑप्शन जो कि कोई काम के नहीं है. एंड लास्ट, डोंट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन एंड नेक्स्ट टू. बिटवीन मतलब 2 पोजीशन के बीच में एंड नेक्स्ट टू एडजेसेंट होगा. ऐसा नहीं है ए एंड बी के बिटवीन है तो वो एडजेसेंट ही होगा, बट नेक्स्ट टू में वो हमेशा उसका एडजेसेंट होगा. सो दिस इज द ट्रिक्स. नाउ जम्प टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. वी हैव फर्स्ट question that there are six, 6 peoples are sitting in a row. Means first what we understand here, it is the linear sitting arrangement. Linear means everyone is sitting into the linear. Here there is no mention that person is facing north or south, so by default it will be the north. Okay, here are the 6 people sitting in a row. We will mark first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S and Z are in the center. S and Z are in the center. A and P are at the ends. A and P are at the ends. R is sitting left to the A. A का left क्या होगा ये? R is sitting left to the A. Who is sitting right to P? P के right में कौन है? तो there are, we have marked 5 person, but one is still left. Who is left? X. Then who is immediate right or who is right to the P? It will be the X. So X will be our correct answer. Let's go to the next question. 5 girls are sitting on a bench to be photographed. Means what you understand here? Linear sitting arrangement. And how many girls? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 girls. 5 girls are sitting on a bench for the photograph. Seema is left to the Rani. Seema is left to the Rani. And Bindu, Rani, and to the right of Bindu. And Seema is to the right of Bindu. Mary is to the right of Rani. Mary is to the right of Rani. Rita is between Rani and Mary. See here, we have already placed Mary to the right of Rani, but it is not written here that Rani and Mary are immediate neighbor. So we can place Mary here. So absolutely Mary is in the right of Rani. And Rita in between of Rani and Mary. So what is question asking? Who is sitting immediate right to Rita? Rita के immediate right में कौन है? It will be the Mary. And Mary will be our correct answer. Next question. Next question is A, B, C, D and E sitting on a bench. Again, it will be the linear sitting arrangement. And 5 members. A, B, C, D are sitting on a bench. A is next to B. What I told you on the next is something which is adjacent. A is next to B. C sitting next to D. C sitting next to D. C is on the second position of the right. Means we can not place it like that. C is here and D is here. A is to the right of B and E. B के तो A right में है, but यहाँ पे E भी आ जाएगा. तो A is to the right of B and E. A and C are sitting together. Yes, A and C are sitting together. In which position A is sitting? A की क्या position है? So between B and C. A is sitting between B and C. B and C will be our right answer. So I hope you understand it very well and you are now able to solve any question in just some seconds. Right. So it is our last question. What is written here? PQR, STU, V and W are sitting on a round circular table facing at the center. Round circular table and facing at the center. 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. P is to the right of T, who is the neighbor of R and V. T is the neighbor of R and V, means T comes into between. T is here, R and V. And P is second right to T. First right is V and second right is P. V is the neighbor of U. V is the neighbor of U, means R comes here and V comes here. सो जैसे जैसे आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते जाओगे आपको पोजीशन भी पता चलती जाएगी कि ये सही प्लेस हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है. S इज नॉट नेबर ऑफ P. S P का नेबर नहीं है. सो सिंपली प्लेस S हियर फॉर नाउ एंड अगर आगे आएगा तो वी विल स्विच इट. V इज द नेबर ऑफ U, हमने बना दिया उसको. तो Q इज नॉट बिटवीन S एंड W. S एंड W के बीच में Q नहीं है. दैट मीन्स बीच में नहीं है तो हम उसको एडजेसेंट में डाल देते हैं. W is not between U and S. Yes, W is not between U and S. Now, what question wants to ask? Which two of the following are not neighbor? RV. Yes, RV are not neighbors. UV are neighbors. RP are neighbors and QW are neighbors. So, who is not neighbors? This will R and V. Second, which one is immediate right of V? Which one is immediate right of V? It will T. Third question. What is the position of S? S कौन सी पोजीशन पे है? Immediate left of W, immediate right of W. Sorry, because the person is facing inside of the table. Here the trick comes. If you are facing outside or inside depends on left and right. If you are facing inside, then right will be anti-clockwise. So immediate right is S. So answer will be S is to the immediate right of W. So guys, this was all about trick question, directions, sitting arrangement. I hope I explained well and you got understand well. If you find this video really helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more amazing content. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.